Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take a deep look at a system that is absolutely essential for the heart of your car, the engine, the cooling system. We'll cover how it works, which parts are involved, common problems, and how to properly maintain your cooling system to avoid costly repairs. So stay tuned. This is going to be really interesting. Every engine produces a lot of heat when burning gasoline or diesel, sometimes over 200 degrees Celsius in the combustion chamber. If this heat isn't controlled, the engine can overheat, which can cause damage like a warped cylinder head or even a complete engine failure. The cooling system ensures that the engine always runs at the optimal temperature. Modern cars typically operate between 90 and 105 degrees Celsius. A properly functioning cooling system also helps the engine run efficiently, use less fuel, and keep emissions low. Imagine driving in summer without a cooling system. After just a few kilometers, the engine would overheat and could seize. The cooling system protects your engine like a safety net. The core component is the radiator. It transfers heat from the coolant to the air. The coolant flows through many small channels while air passes through the radiator from the front, cooling the liquid. Modern cars usually have plate-type radiators, which are very efficient. The water pump acts as the engine of the cooling system. It ensures that coolant constantly circulates through the engine, radiator, and expansion tank. Without the water pump, the coolant would stagnate and the engine would overheat very quickly. The thermostat regulates the temperature. When the engine is cold, it stays closed to help the engine reach operating temperature quickly. Once the optimal temperature is reached, it opens to allow coolant to flow through the radiator. A stuck thermostat can cause the engine to run too hot or too cold, affecting both performance and engine life. The coolant itself is made of water and special additives like glycol. It prevents the engine from overheating and from freezing. Modern coolants also include corrosion protection for the radiator, water pump, and engine block. The fan supports the radiator. At moderate speeds, airflow alone is usually enough, but in traffic or when the car is stationary, the fan actively cools the fluid. There are mechanical fans driven by the engine and electric fans controlled by temperature. Hoses connect the engine, radiator, and expansion tank. They are flexible and must withstand high temperatures. The expansion tank captures the expanding coolant and keeps the system pressure stable. You can think of the cooling system like your own body. The engine is the heart, the coolant is the blood, the radiator is like your skin that releases heat, and the water pump is the heart pump that keeps everything moving. The water pump circulates coolant through the engine, absorbing heat from the cylinder block and cylinder head. The heated coolant then flows to the radiator, where air cools it down. The thermostat opens or closes depending on the temperature. When the engine is cold, it stays closed, and when the temperature rises, it opens. The fan activates as needed, especially in traffic or when stopped. This cycle repeats continuously, keeping the engine at the optimal temperature. Common problems include leaks in hoses or the radiator, causing coolant loss and engine overheating. A faulty water pump prevents proper coolant circulation, which can also lead to overheating. A stuck thermostat can make the engine run too hot or too cold. Air in the system can prevent proper coolant flow, and contaminated coolant can cause deposits in the radiator or engine block, reducing cooling efficiency. Check the coolant level and hoses regularly, especially before long trips. Maintenance is very important. Coolant should be replaced regularly, usually every 2 to 5 years, depending on the manufacturer. The radiator should be kept clean, especially from dust, leaves, or insects. Hoses and seals should be inspected, and any cracks or wear should be replaced immediately. The water pump and thermostat should be checked or replaced at high mileage. And very importantly, never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. There is a risk of severe burns. A well-maintained cooling system saves money, prevents engine damage, and extends the life of your car. The cooling system protects the engine, ensures optimal performance, and extends engine life. Regular checks of coolant, hoses, thermostat, and water pump prevent costly repairs. Pay attention to warning signs like overheating or coolant loss to keep your engine reliable and powerful. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any car tips. Write in the comments which topics you'd like to see next. Maybe the cylinder head gasket or the water pump. Until next time, keep your car cool and drive safely.